your super smart digital friends until you totally mess at a toaster? Then stick around for these 6 critical tips to avoid using AI chatbots all wrong. Let's go. Would you walk into a library and yell, "Tell me everything"? No, be specific. Instead of "tell me about history," try, "summarize the causes of World War I in under 100 words. That's precision power. Chatbots are like genies. The better your wish, the better the magic. Don't assume it knows your life story. If you're writing a YouTube script, say that. If you want help with an email, say that. Would you stop after one question on Google? No, so keep digging. Ask why. You're not annoying the AI, it's literally its job. Sure, AI is smart, and definitely don't try to win arguments with it. You'll lose, and it doesn't even care. AI makes mistakes, big ones. Use the info as a launchpad, not gospel. Use AI the smart way, and you'll look like a genius, not a confused cat on a keyboard. Subscribe and comment below. Chatbot. We might feature it in the next video.